Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to properly shave or trim your arms using the Lawn Mower 3.0. So the arms, like the legs, are going to be pretty straightforward. You're going to have problems pretty much in the similar areas. So around your wrist is essentially your ankle, and then the back of your knee would be where your bicep and your forearms kind of crease together, and then the front of your knee would be pretty much your elbow. So you're going to have to pay attention to those areas specifically. Go a little slower around there. But as you can see, if you put your arm in different positions, it does make the surface flatter and you can get a good clean trim on there. So up next, we have the armpits, guys. Now you can trim the armpits all the way down to bare skin if you want to. I highly recommend using at least the guard on the lowest setting, because if you go too low and you shave them off completely, your armpits can get really prickly, and if you do a lot of jogging or running or play sports or you're active, that can kind of give you kind of a brush burn. So I highly recommend trimming your armpits, yes, but trim them on at least the lowest setting with the guard on. So if you guys aren't familiar with Manscaped, they have been pretty much one of the leaders in the pack when it comes to grooming your downstairs business with their Lawn Mower 3.0 with the replaceable blades and the ergonomic design. They put more power into it, it has a longer battery life, and there is a flashlight on there so you can see all of the nooks and crannies that you need to get to. I would 100% recommend the Lawn Mower 3.0 to you guys. So that pretty much wrapped up the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Manscaped. Give them a look and check it out.